portion, the contracts and all this. I have no experience with.
Right. It's, you know, most states are at will now.
Yeah.
Right, and you have the 45-day, 90-day probationary period, and the easy out is always, you know, sorry man, he just isn't fitting the culture, and we're going in a different direction. That's it. You don't need to explain any more than that. Period.
On Tuesday, received an email from
and the people with a mid-level feature, it may never make it in because it never, like a new thing can pop up and just is more. So Amy, our support manager, many of you guys have talked to her in the past, and Dawn, our super agent. Guys, and we will see you again tomorrow.
Yeah!
Some awesome dinner at this cool restaurant right outside by the water, and going back to the hotel to get some sleep to prepare because I have a speech to do tomorrow morning. Alright, later. Alright, cool. Just finished up day 2 of the ServiceMonster Symposium. Learned so much. Like, the people here, really humble, very intelligent, and tons of stuff. And so going back to the hotel and flying back home tomorrow, this beautiful Bellingham, Washington.
And now my favorite pair is using Thanks. Take care, guys. Enjoy your night, guys.
Nice to meet you. Take care. Thank you so much for everything. We're on our way back to the airport, Seattle, to fly back to Detroit. If you're looking for professional video production or editing, this dude here, Quentin Howell, Digital Dreams Productions, Digital Dream Studios. I'll put a link in the description below. This dude is insanely good. Joe Kowalski from ServiceMonster just called me and he said he needs me in Seattle, Washington, like right now. And I'm in Detroit, Michigan, so I guess I'm going to Seattle. Let's go. Picking up Dale, well, actually getting a ride to the airport with the man himself.
What's going on?
What's up, man?
What's going on, man? Thanks for coming by.
Joe Kowalski.
Hey, guys.
What's going on?
Getting ready for this massive symposium thing we've been talking about for the last few months. So, yeah. Keith, super excited for you to be here, dude.
Absolutely. Great to meet you in
thanks
person.
for coming. Tortured over 20 times. This guy has been through stuff that doesn't even fit in our head. And in those 7 years that he was there, he saw his military servicemen come in.
So we're here at the ServiceMonster Symposium. Everybody just stood up and introduced themselves.
And I eventually decided that I wanted to have a family. And working in restaurants is not a great gig if you're going to have a family. You immediately give up your nights, weekends, and holidays. And that's not what I wanted for myself. I wanted something different. And that's how I got into the service industry. Just a couple things about who I'm not. I didn't go to business school. I don't have an MBA.
Dude, that was awesome. Like, I'm not even making this up. That dude just taught me so much. I was like hooked on every word that he was saying about his company and the culture, and it was awesome. But now we're about to eat some lunch. Look at this.
Color scheme is like perfect.
It fogged up my lens, man. Oh man, look at this, dog. This is awesome. Look at this beautiful view. Bellingham, Washington State. So it's north of Seattle and way north of Portland, Oregon, obviously. So I don't know, all I know is that I live in Michigan and this is really, really, really far west. What's up, Quentin?
What's up, man? How's it
Get some
going?
good footage.
Trying to.
This is one of my best buds, Quentin, all the way here with me to film because he's filming. I'm going to be speaking at the ServiceMonster event about social media, digital media. But anyways, oh, look at this, is sweet. Look at these beautiful plants. Wow. Fire going. This is great.